Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. So you can check the battery level on this watch in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. If you wake up the screen on your watch by tapping on it, you should see the watch face, and some of the watch faces display the battery level. As you can see, this one doesn't display it very precisely. You can see like maybe image, but it doesn't say much about it. Like you can tell it's low, and below 50%, but that's about it. If you want to see the more precise information, you can open the controls menu by pressing and holding the upper button, and here we have the battery level with the percentage on it. And another way to check the battery level is to swipe up on the home screen to open the glances, and here we have the battery level as well. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.